everyone. Welcome to the weekly edition of Basic Income Strategies using options. We have been off for a few weeks, more with Diwali holidays and everything. In the month of November, we couldn't have these sessions regularly. Hopefully, now going forward, we should have this every Friday. So my sincere apologies for not having it before. All right. So yeah, everything is good. Let's get started. So the market has been quite volatile. I think it's been um, quite difficult to trade and figure out where the market is going. It's been rapidly moving bit down and up at the same time, pretty much every second other day. So it's been taking a lot of people's stop losses, and I've been quite challenging, I would say. All right, so we will go with our trades. I mean, the similar setups that we generally take week after week, and we will see how our trades have been doing, and and whether we are able to earn money on a passive way. So yeah, to get started, first one is our weekly iron butterfly. So this time we had taken a trade at 17,400, and uh, and we have bought the hedges at 17,100 PE and 17,700. I know the trade in itself is pretty wide. Um, Considering all the volatility and everything. I mean, if you can just see that, for 300 points up, we got 17,700 at 29 rupees, whereas 300 points down, it was 52, almost double. Right? So that's been the kind of volatility that we have in this market. But yeah, we'll stick to our rules and we will go with the trade. So this is the trade, and the trade has a higher break even at 17,200 roughly. Sorry, lower break even at 7,200 and higher break even at 17,600. And the max profit of 10,000 with the max loss of 4,800. Yeah, so let's actually quickly check where the prices are today when we closed. I think the square of price for 17,400 P was 233.25 and 64.3, 91.65 and 11.65. Yeah, so I mean, in spite of all the volatility and everything, I mean, we pretty much bought at the highest point of the day, 17,400. But the market has crashed down to close to 17,200, which is almost our lower break even. But we'll continue the trade. I mean, we know that the loss is fixed at 4,800, so we will hold the trade. And yeah, so currently we are making a minor profit, but we will see. So that's on the iron butterfly. We got a couple of good trades in the for us to do a a bear call spreads, very good premiums. So we actually did take two bear call spreads, two of them, one in the monthly and in the weekly. So I will go over that. So the monthly, we did a 7,300 sell. So roughly when the market fell down close to when the morning high did not sustain, it kind of took the trade to go short, and we shorted the monthly, and monthly 17,300 was trading at around 335, and we hedged that with 17,700. I mean, these are trades that we generally share it with our students as well. So pretty good trade actually. By the end of it, it was already in very good, very decent profit. But yeah, so for us, the this trade, this will be a monthly trade. It's a 1:1 trade, but obviously in options we don't keep we don't hold the spreads for max loss. We generally have a stop loss on the spot chart, which is roughly now, I mean, we have trailed the stop loss. Now, earlier the stop loss was 17,450 odd. Now we have moved it down over the day because uh, uh, the market was moving down. So now our stop loss is at 17,385, which is about 150 points away. But yeah, let's see how this trade pans out. Currently, I think the price of 330, sorry, 7,300 is around 262.35, and one and 17,700 is 99.05. So yeah, roughly it's giving us 5% profit on the capital that we have invested so far. So pretty good going so far. Let's see, I mean, how the market treats us with this trade. So this is a bear call spread, and it is done for the monthly. Yeah. So the next trade, what we did was, again, it's a very similar trade, but the only difference is that actually the expiry is 9th December for this. Yeah. Yeah. So, and pretty much the same capital involved in this. So we sold the 17,600, and I mean, we generally don't like to do naked selling. So we have taken a little bit of a hedge at 7,900, more from a margin benefit than anything else. So we sold it at 51 rupees, and we bought 7,900 at 7 rupees. Again, the stop loss is roughly around 17,300. There is a max loss, which is pretty big. But as I said, the idea is not to hold the trade forever. The idea is that if 7,300 is breached, we will close the trade. Usually, when 7,300 is breached, we should be roughly in a profit of around 1,000. That's how, I mean, that's the right way to look at this trade. But yeah, so yeah, some people might ask, I mean, what happens if tomorrow or Monday, if there is a gap up of more than 100 points? These are ways, you know, obviously these are discussions that we have in with our students as well, which we discuss in detail in the training sessions. And there are ways to manage the trade during gap up and gap downs. I will not go into those details right now, but yeah, our stop loss will be at 17,300. So yeah, we'll look at the prices of this today. I think this ended in let me quickly check my books. Yes, it ended at 21 rupees, and this was at 4.6, which is again roughly about 3.3%, 3.4%. The other one was 4.3, 3.3. 3.3 is not a bad thing for a day, and considering that, you know, it's very safe, because 17,600 even from the highest point of today is about 200 points away. So it is kind of a safe bet to take this trade, right? So yeah, pretty much pretty decent day trade. So that's the best part of today's trade. I mean, even though the market was, you know, fluctuating violently, we were able to take trades on the downside, and we were able to capture a few things. Yeah, yeah. So we did do the intraday as well, which is the typical straddle that we carry every day. So we have done that as well, and we booked some profit in that also today. But I mean, as we generally share the straddle after the expiry is completed, so we will have that for our next week session. So yeah, so these are the 3 trades that we have done so far for this week. One, which is the iron butterfly, the usual way that we typically take a trade, and we have taken one short straddle and one sorry, not short straddle, my bad. one bear call spread for the month and one bear call spread for the week of 9th December as well. Yeah. So yeah, so that's about it. That's the trades for this week. So next week we will meet. We will review these trades where they are, and also talk about the new trades that we have taken for the week, and we will take it from there. Yeah. Thank you very much for everyone for joining. And as I promised, we will be more regular for the month of December, and we will be sharing our weekly income strategies, and hope everybody gets benefited. Thank you.